Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about QuickSell themes and layouts. So before we start, it is important to show you how themes and layout becomes important in the entire endeavor to create a world-class catalog or a website. So you would notice in a particular page, there are a few components which are in contrasting color. That would be the background. Now you can see this in white, right? This can be of different color. The text that is written over here can be of a different color. The company name on the top, the color of the button, the color in the space which is housing the item description, and even the bottom tray can be of different colors. Now, how to change these colors? Even the what is written on one particular item, add to cart button, the color inside that button can also be changed using Pixel web version as well as the mobile application version. In this video, we are going to talk about the Pixel web version. So first of all, we will log into web.quixel.co. Once we have logged in, we are going to click on account settings. On account settings, we are going to find an option named content and layout. In content and layout, we have categorically put custom themes option for all our customers, wherein we have created some amazing predefined themes that you can select directly and use it for your entire store. Now, one thing to keep in mind over here is that color, the contrast of your brand is significant and it should reflect in your digital presence or your web store as well. What I mean to say is that for years you have put in significant resources to build your brand image. So you must have a certain logo, a color theme of your brand that you would want to replicate on your digital store, that is your catalog, or onto your website. And it is important that you maintain a similar kind of theme so that you can drive maximum customer recall of your brand. And so let me quickly take you through how to create a new theme. We will simply click on the create theme button over here, and we are going to name this theme as theme 2022 summers. So this theme we are basically creating a timestamp for ourselves for future remembrance that when we had used this particular theme. And here I would tell you about each and every function, that is primary text, background, and background text. So you can see the primary color matches with all the items. This goes for the filters on the top of the catalog, the buttons, and the cart tray, as well as the cart button. So the primary color goes into creating, right? As you can see, I've changed the color. This particular segments gets changed. These are the segments where the primary color is going to be used, and the primary text is going to be what is written inside these buttons, right? In live catalog, you would be able to see that the top button, the top filters, the add to cart buttons are all blue because we are using a blue theme. Over here it can be made into pink or some other color, while the color inside, right, can be changed. As you can see, I'm changing the color inside the buttons were also changing. Now often you would have the color codes uh, handy with you of the colors that you typically use in your other segments of maybe your creatives or maybe your banners. So you can directly put any color code in this space, any color hash code, and it will automatically pick up the color. Background is the segment wherein the main white space or the background space which houses the entire catalog of the website, we are signifying that. So as I made it black, you can see the entire black space is the background, right? Any item which is on top of this background will come under the background text, right? You can see the header over on Shiva Industries and number of items, all this text that is written on the background in the catalog, like your overall header and the part of wherein you put the filters, this would come under the background text. You can change the color accordingly. Once you are done, you will click on save theme, and you have an option to delete the theme as well. We will go back and we are going to use the theme. Thank you.